Welcome to this video guide on choosing the best home inverter and battery system in 2026. We will walk you through everything you need to know to select the perfect power backup for your home. Why do you need a home inverter now? With the rise of remote work, stable internet is crucial. Smart homes require constant power. Summer heat increases your cooling needs, and modern inverters offer a silent alternative to noisy generators. Understanding the continuous power cycle is key. Grid power charges the battery. If the grid fails, the inverter switches in under 10 milliseconds, converts battery power for your appliances, and then automatically restores the cycle when grid power returns. When it comes to inverter types, pure sine wave is the clear winner. It is a premium choice that matches grid power perfectly, protects your sensitive electronic devices, and operates silently, unlike budget-friendly square wave alternatives. To calculate your perfect inverter size, follow these steps. Add your total appliance watts, divide by an efficiency factor of 0.8, and add a 20% safety buffer. The result gives you the required VA rating. Let's look at a real-world calculation. With 5 LED bulbs, 3 fans, a television, and a router, your total load is 380 watts. This load requires an inverter rated between 800 VA and 1000 VA. Choosing your energy storage. Tubular batteries offer a lower initial cost but require regular maintenance and water top-ups. Lithium-ion batteries have a higher upfront cost but provide a longer lifespan, zero maintenance, and a space-saving design. Is a 150 Ah battery enough for a home? It works for basic usage, such as powering fans, lights, and your router for 3 to 6 hours. For longer outages or to support a refrigerator, choose 200 Ah or higher. Finding your match depends on your home size. Small apartments need an 800 VA to 1000 VA inverter with a 150 Ah battery. Medium homes benefit from 1100 VA to 1500 VA and 200 Ah, while large homes require heavy-duty systems and dual batteries. Powering heavy appliances like air conditioners requires more than a standard inverter. You need a high-capacity system, specifically a 3 kVA to 5 kVA hybrid inverter, combined with a large battery bank or solar integration. In 2026, leading brands include Luminous for reliable setups, V-Guard for smart, app-controlled technology, LiveFast for fast-charging systems, and Microtech for heavy-duty industrial-grade performance. Avoid these common, costly errors: guessing your load instead of calculating it, buying cheap square-wave inverters, ignoring electrical earthing, and consistently overloading your system beyond its rated capacity. For maximum lifespan, ensure proper ventilation for your unit. For tubular batteries, check water levels every few months, keep terminals clean, and schedule a professional service check once a year. To wrap up, follow this checklist. Select pure sine wave technology, calculate your watts plus a 20% buffer, choose between tubular or lithium based on your needs, and always verify your warranty terms.